On these types of problems, we are looking at trigonometric function graphs and determining which graph matches the midline and amplitude given. So on this first problem here, we look at the first graph and I'm just going to kind of test it out. We've got a max at 5 and a minimum at 1. 5 plus 1 divided by 2, that is a midline of 3. And just to double check here, our midline of 3, how far is that midline from our maximum to get our amplitude? Remember, you take your maximum, which is 5, subtract your midline, which is 3, and you get your amplitude, which is 2. So max minus mid gives you your amplitude. Max plus min divided by 2 gives you your midline. So this answer is correct for this problem. If I wanted to check some of the other graphs, because sometimes you don't necessarily get the correct answer on the first time, you would just do this same process on each graph until you found the correct graph. So on this graph here, we've got a maximum at 4, a minimum at 0, y equals 0, and we do 4 plus 0 divided by 2, which gives us 2. That's our midline. And our amplitude here would be 4 minus 2, which is 2. So this one would not be the correct answer. And you can do that for each graph until you find the correct graph.